Hello future CAs, introducing you all to Wow Pro classes for CA Inter September 25 and Jan 2026 exams. Whether you are going to subscribe to the class or no, I just want you all to stay just to have awareness regarding what is so pro about these classes, guys. Just like how you know there is iPhone 16 Pro. We all know what is there in iPhone 16 Pro, but we are not able to afford it, right? But jokes apart, Wow Pro is not like that. It has the quality of Apple and it is going to be the most affordable classes for all of you guys. Before I tell you what it is, I want to tell you all one small story, and this story only will explain to you exactly as to why we are introducing Wow Pro classes and what it is all about, guys. Let's take cricket. Cricket is something most of you connect with, I also connect with, and even if you are not following cricket, I'm sure this example you will understand, guys. Take myself playing cricket and take Virat Kohli. Even if you don't like cricket, you know someone called Virat Kohli exists. Now in cricket, there is one shot called scoop shot. If they put a Yorker ball, they will play a scoop shot. Okay. Now imagine Bumrah is bowling 140 or 150 speed Yorker ball. Me and Virat Kohli, both of us have to play the scoop shot. Okay. Now you tell me, both of us have to practice this. How this practice will look like, guys? If it is for me, first I have to learn the basics of holding the bat correctly, playing 140 speed, ensuring I don't get hurt, playing sweep shot, ball come hit my head. Just now I came from hospital. Okay. First I should learn the basics and then only I can even learn how to play scoop shot. Correct? I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you. But when it's Virat Kohli, he can directly play the scoop shot. Why? Because he's already an expert in the subject. He knows the subject in and out. I think you're understanding what I am saying. This is the story that will tell you what it is. Now Virat Kohli is already a pro. By playing the scoop shot is going to become a super pro. Okay. So for CA students, sir, I am first time studying a particular subject or a group, whether it's group 1 or group 2 or accounts or law or audit. If you are studying first time, if it's September 25 exams, Fusion is the course for you. If it is Jan 26 exams, Learn from Home is the course for you. Sir, what is the difference between Fusion and Learn from Home? Same. The only difference is the validity period. That's why attempt wise I am changing. Sir, if I purchase individual subject or combo, you can take it for September 25 or Jan 26 for first time learning students. Remember guys, for all these classes, Fusion, Learn from Home, individual combo on our website, Wow Pro is included in that. You don't have to pay anything extra. Sir, I am already existing student, sir. Recently only I purchased your classes, sir. Don't worry. Unlike other academies, we are not going to charge you extra to get upgraded to Pro. All the existing students will automatically get Pro if you belong to Fusion, Learn from Home or individual or combo. Don't worry. Sir, then what is this Pro, sir? This Pro can be purchased separately. Who should take this? Again, let me clear the confusion. First time learning, not for you guys. You have to go take Fusion, Learn from Home, individual or combo. I have separate video for that. Sir, I have reasonable knowledge in the subject, sir. What do you mean by reasonable knowledge, sir? Let me define what is reasonable knowledge for all of you. Sir, already I studied long back, sir. 1 year, 2 years back this subject I studied, sir. Then because of my laziness or whatever other genuine reasons, I lost touch with the subject. I did not give a few attempts. 1. That means you have reasonable knowledge. I don't have to teach you from basic. You are like Virat Kohli. Sir, I don't have much time, sir. No, sir, I don't have much time. I just have 2 months left for exam. Or I can't watch lot of classes, sir. I want classes to get over like this. In 200 hours, class should get over. This one's for you. I can catch up, sir. Even if it's taken fast, no, sir, I can catch up. 400 hours of class, if you teach in 200 hours, I can understand. Fine. Already wrote the exam, sir. Mainly I am referring to repeaters. Sir, I wrote the exam, second, third, fourth attempt, whichever attempt, I wrote the subject, sir. But somehow I am getting only 120, 130, 135, 140. I am not able to cross that line because you are not a pro in the subject. So if you have reasonable knowledge covered in any of these points, then Wow Pro is for you guys. Now let me explain what is Wow Pro. Okay, simple. In the CA classroom, whichever class you take, which I mentioned above, which is your fusion, learn from home, individual or combo, our subject will have 5 folders in the app. How many folders, guys? 5 folders. That will be basically your part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. These 4 parts are the detailed concept solving all ICAA illustrations will be covered over here. Entire ICAA illustration will be covered over here. Each part is 25% syllabus. What I realized in the past after teaching for about 7 years is these 4 alone is not enough for exam. Little bit of exam oriented learning also is enough, and we added the 5th part, which is Wow folder. Earlier we added Wow folder where we did lot of workout and lot of questions, and students absolutely loved that. Now we have upgraded that with Wow Pro. Sir, what is so pro about this Wow Pro, sir? Let me explain to all of you guys. This is where the real video is starting. This Pro has basically 3 components. First, Wow concept. The entire subject is quickly revised for you. So those who already know the subject, this will be a quick revision for you. Even if you are studying first time, you can quickly grasp means this is enough for you. The most important, majority of the time will be spent in Wow workout. We'll be practicing lot of questions. Sir, these 2 are already there, no sir? Concept and workout. Yes, these 2 were there earlier. This time what we are adding? We are adding MCQ for all of you. At least 5 hours per subject MCQ will be added. And we'll also be solving questions, more questions from RTP, MTP, past exam, selective important questions, all 8 model test papers, and authors, faculty's own questions and other source questions. So we'll be practicing exhaustive problems for you guys. And always I will tell test series you have to purchase separately if you want. Since this is to make you a pro, this time the fees will also include test where you will get 5 tests per subject. First 4 tests of 25% syllabus and last 100 marks mock test. That means you will be revising the subject too along with these classes. Are you getting it, guys? Wow concept, workout along with MCQ and extra questions and 5 tests. Now to summarize. This Wow Pro subscription is basically you buy for 1 month, you will get 1 month extra. That means basically you get 2 months validity, guys. If you look at this, earlier we had only Wow classes. That time one group was 150 hours, other group was 150 hours. Totally it was 300 hours for both the groups. That's it. But this time we have upgraded. Guys. Look at this. First group itself this time is 230 hours. Almost 80 hours of content is being added. Second group is going to be 210 hours and totally 440 hours. That means I can say this is equal to a fast track class. Equal to fast track classes, guys. People say fast track exam oriented. This is nothing but like exam oriented classes. We are doing 440 hours covering everything. Sir, all the recordings are completed, sir. Here. All the Wow recordings, 150 hours, this 300 is already uploaded in the app. This additional videos, the pro element which I told you, which we are adding. Basically, what is this pro? This MCQ, then this little more workout problems that we are going to add now. That should be added roughly by around 30th June 2025 we will be adding it. Don't worry, I will be giving you a separate timetable for that. A separate timetable when we add. But first you should finish watching this 300 hours, correct? By the time you watch this total 440 will be added. Just another 140 hours that we are going to add. Sir, how to get this class? You just have to go to the CA Classroom website. Scroll down, I'm sure you all know about Fusion, Combos and Learn from Home. And then if you come here, this is where you can see the Wow Pro subscription. Just 5499 for the entire period, inclusive of test series per group. If you go inside, you can see here, guys, is inclusive of Dira Bridge test. Wow Pro features, whatever I explained, all that is over here. The duration is upgraded, guys. Look at the duration over there, and all that is over here. And clearly I mentioned, first time learning means fusion. Have reasonable knowledge, you come for Wow, guys. So this is all about Wow classes, guys. Any doubts that you have, please let me know in the comments. We'll keep sharing more information about this as we keep going. That's about it. All the very best. Thank you.